So to fix this problem, you have to launch to your settings app. So just tap on the settings app when you find it. After that, tap on apps and notification. So after tapping on it, tap on see your apps. After that, you have to search or scroll to find Signal. Then you tap on it when you find it. Then tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure the notifications are all on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to check the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. So after that, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache and go back. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is really turned on. After doing all this, just go to your phone menu again and tap on Play Store. So when you tap on Play Store, what you have to do is to make sure you search for Signal. After searching for Signal, you are going to see it like this, so just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you are going to be around this place. So you have to what? Tap on update. When you see update over here, just tap on the update. But when you see open like this, don't tap on open. What you have to do is to restart your device. So after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while. Then you tap on the restart button. Then you tap on OK, and this is going to fix the problem. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.